Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to know the exact levels of the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels, at which level you have to take the trade, at which level you have to exit, what is the bank nifty target and what is the nifty target, to know the exact levels and what the instructions has to take the at that level. For to know all the things, you should watch all the video till end. So let's jump into the market today, that is of 28th April 2021. Nifty 50 has gained 211 points, which is a 1.44%, and has ended at 14,864 points. Nifty Bank has gained 987 points, which is of 3.02%, and has ended at 33,722 points. Nifty Next 50 has gained 213 points. Nifty Mid Cap has gained 113 points, and Nifty Financial Services has gained 450 points, which is of 2.89%, and has ended at 16,039 points. If you see the advances and declines under the Nifty 50, there are 35 advances and 15 declines under the Nifty 50 for today, that is of 28th April 2021. So let us see who are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 for today. Top 5 gainers under Nifty 50 for today are Bajaj Finance has gained 8.02%, IndusInd Bank has gained 4.92%, Eicher Motors has gained 4.83%, Bajaj Finserv has gained 3.85%, Kotak Bank has gained 3.70%. If you see the top 5 losses under the Nifty 50 for today are Britannia has lost 2.01%, Hindalco has lost 1.04%, Nestle India has lost 0.97%, Divi's Lab has lost 0.89%, HDFC Life has lost 0.85%. These are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 for today. So now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade. So yesterday Nifty 50 was closed at 14,657 points, and today Nifty 50 was opened as a gap up, and which is of 14,710, and I have given the buy call at 14,700. Uh, let us assume we have taken the buy call at 14,730. So from 14,732 it made a high of 14,388, almost 150 points, 158 points. So let us expect, hope you guys book at least 30 points, 40 points, 50 points, 100 points based on your risk appetite risk analysis. Yeah, if you have booked the profit in today's view, I request you to please mention the same in the comment section, so that other people will also get confident on the views which was given in the video, so that they can able to watch the views and note down the views and take the trades whenever the level triggers. Yeah, so thanks for understanding. So now let me share the Nifty tomorrow prediction with Nifty analysis for tomorrow. See, this is the crucial point, which is a 14,880. Once if it breaks today, Nifty 50 was closed at 14,850. Once Nifty 50 has breaks 14,880 and sustains above 14,880, so our buy call will be triggered here. If it sustains above 880, it can go up to 14,350, 14,250. Yeah, this is a major crucial point. So our buy call will be activated for tomorrow, that is of 29th April 2021. Our Nifty tomorrow prediction with Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 29th April 2021, would be our buy call will be activated at 14,900 for the Nifty target of 14,925, for the Nifty target of 14,960, for the Nifty target of 15,000, for the Nifty target of 15,030, 15,054, 15,096, 15,127, 15,165, 15,190, 15,235, 15,272, and the final Nifty target of 15,332. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow. It will happen only once the Nifty 50 has breaks above this level, which is of 14,880, and sustains above this level. Then only these levels will possible. Okay. Always you must be very careful, be very active in the market whenever you are taking the trade here. There may be chance of getting reverse at any point of time. So not only this day, tomorrow or any day, at any trading day you must be very active initially. Yeah, so we can't predict on which side the market will go. It in minutes, in seconds, the market, the Nifty 50 has changed its trend from uptrend to downtrend or downtrend to uptrend. So you should be very active in the market whenever you are trading. Okay. So now let me share the Nifty tomorrow prediction with Nifty analysis for tomorrow for the downtrend of the Nifty 50. So if Nifty 50 has the downtrend tomorrow, that is of 29th April 2021, our sell call will be activated at 14,800 for the Nifty target of 14,768, 14,750, 14,730, 14,715, 14,670, 14,622, 14,600, 14,570, 14,535, 14,513, 14,493, 14,465, 14,437, 14,406, 14,382, 14,350, 14,323, 14,288, 14,270, 14,238, 14,221, and the final Nifty target of 14,196. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow, and you must be very careful here. Why I have given the sell call here at 14,800, but there may be a chance of getting reversal the trend from here, which is of 14,785. So you must be very careful, very active in the market. If you see any red candle, any blue candle here, if you see any blue candle here, so you can immediately exit this sell call and you can take the sell call here. Okay, always I request you to please be active in the market. So the major trends are here is 14,785, then there may be also getting reversal from here. Once 14,785 breaks, it can go up to 14,713, 14,672, 14,536, 14,495, and 14,425. These are the major broader aspects of the targets. There may be a chance of getting reversal from these points. Till then, you are very pleasant. So if it breaks here, you can check again here only, because this gap will automatically fill up. There may be a chance of getting reversal of the trend from here, from this point only. If it breaks here, then the reversal point will be here. Okay, like that. And if tomorrow Nifty 50 will opens as a gap up above this level, we can take the buy call here at this point. Okay, and at the same time, if the Nifty 50 has opens below this level, you can take the sell call here at 14,768, like that. In the second target, you can take the sell call. Okay, if you take the trade immediately when the gap up or gap down happens, there may be a chance of getting reversal of that and you may fall into the loss. So you should be very active. Don't take the trade immediately when you see the gap up or gap down immediately. Once it reaches over the next target, then only you can take the sell call there in the next target. Okay, thank you, thanks for understanding. So now let me share the Nifty options for tomorrow. So once Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14900, you can take the strike price of 14900 CE, and once the Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14800, you can take the strike price of 14800 PE. Okay, so our Nifty options for tomorrow would be 14800 PE and 14900 CE. Okay, these are the Nifty options for tomorrow, that is of 29th April 2021. Okay, so our hope you guys watch this video. Hope you guys noted down the levels of Nifty analysis for tomorrow and Nifty tomorrow prediction for 29th April 2021. So Nifty 29th April 2021 Nifty prediction we have taken. So if you are not understand, I request you to please replay this video, note down the levels and be strict to the levels which was given in the video, because the Nifty 50 has to fall under our levels only, because we are giving the analysis based on the purely technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Yeah, thank you, thanks for understanding. I always put the stop loss for every order which you are taking in the trade, because the stop loss is very much important for every trade to save our capital to sustain in the market in future also. Thank you. If you feel this video is helpful, if you feel my views are helpful to you, if you feel you are making profit on my views, if you feel this video will help others without paying any penny to the tip providers, yes, if you feel I'm genuine, then I request you to please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications when I post the updates, and share this video to all your network and make me available, make me reachable to all the traders who are looking for the tips, who are looking for the levels, on which level we have to trade, so that you will help them to take the profit from the trading. Okay, I'm so grateful to you if you have shared this video to your network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for understanding.